It is about standards. If you take two DDGs and they're at the same pier, and you look at DDG-A on the right, DDG-B on the left, and DDG-B has running rust, the lines aren't frapped correctly, the quarterdeck is slovenly, you know that the ship has a reputation of poor morale, they don't pass all their inspections. And then you look at DDG-B on the right-hand side of the pier, and the ship is sharp, the lines look great, the quarterdeck's squared away, the ship has a reputation of high morale, they knock everything that they do out as far as inspections and operations. What's the difference between the two ships? It's the CO. So the CO that walks by the ship on the left-hand side of the pier accepts that standard every single day that he walks by that ship, whereas the CO on the right does not. And it's amazing that adherence to standard starts with the commanding officer and it just works its way down to the crew. I think that is the key, and it's to maintaining standards. If the gauge is supposed to read between 45 and 55 psi, 44 is not enough and 56 is too much. And that's what we have to drive to every single day of the week.